Hey traders, I hope you all having an awesome weekend. So what a week it was for commodities. All the targets were hit as mentioned in my last YouTube video. I'm going to go through that in a very short moment, but before that I'll be uploading US stock market analysis and some forex pairs like Euro USD here on my website. So all you need to do is just click here on market analysis, and then right here you will see the US stock market like Nasdaq, Euro USD and other market analysis right here in a very short moment after this net gas video. It should be already uploaded here. So if you want to go through that and check that out, it will be right here. So with that being said, let's quickly start analysis with net gas, gold and crude oil today. I'm going to go through silver today as well. Starting with net gas. Awesome week we had here on net gas. We had a nice take profit hit here on net gas, and this was a signal I've already sent to my members, and this is what I've said in my last video, so that you guys can trade efficiently and take your trade with good entry conditions and reasons. This level of previous support that has been broken and that is now acting as a resistance, and now we have a retest of this level followed by this engulfing candle. So we are getting the sell signal. Once we have the sell signal, we are good to take sell trade using 180R for my targets. We already have a sell signal on Owanda. We already have a candlestick pattern on Owanda. As you can see, we already have this candle closed here on the Owanda platform. So at this point, I'm expecting price to even push down and hit this next level of support, because like I always say, never enter without a condition. Otherwise you are doing nothing, just guessing in the market. And in the market, if you are guessing, then trust me guys, you're just wasting your hard-earned money. But if you enter with a condition and then if your stop losses hit, then totally fine, because then you have not guessed in the market. Then you entered with the rules and you have taken the right trade. So that is what I personally do. Every time I see a condition, I enter the market. If I see this condition, it hit my stop loss, I will still enter the same condition again every time I see this condition, no matter what, because I know in the end that strategy has given me a nice amount of result, and which is my tested strategy. So that is what I want to talk about before I start my analysis. I hope you're getting a value out of my videos, and I hope you are learning out of that. That is why I just don't want to come here and just say buy or sell. I want to show you the reason to enter, so that chances of making mistake will reduce dramatically. Now right here, what do we have? As you can see, we have our take profit to hit as well. Right here, that was a big target for net gas. So what to expect from here? At this point, net gas is in the minor level of support. This is not a major level. Net gas can still push down from here. It might push down till this lower level of support. So again, if the market is falling like this, doesn't mean that you start buying every time the market push down and hope that it will now start to rise. It can still fall, it can still break below this zone. That is why we need to look for a buy signal, and the buy signal is something like this. As you can see, we got this buy signal at this support, and with that the price just shoots up. So all we need to see a bullish engulfer here, or we need to see a double bottom entry pattern here. So at this point, wait for a good reason to enter. Once you have that, only then enter your trade. This zone is 5.525, goes up to 6.006. This is the zone from where I want to look for my sell trade. Again, it is a minor zone. Below that, it is the major zone. I'm going to set these zones again at this point. Keep an eye on this zone. If once this zone is broken, I will give you the correct zone below. Right here on currency.com, as you can see, price is in between the level of support, and it did push down from this nice engulfing pattern. And with that, all we need to see a nice bullish engulfer or a double bottom entry pattern in this zone. Once you have that reason to enter, only then enter the trade. If this zone is broken with two red candles, then we have a likely chance that the price will push down to the zone below, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos. Once this zone is broken, I will update you accordingly. The price is now in a buying area. Looking at the fact we are now oversold here in the RSI, that is why I'm expecting some bounce from here, and that bounce will be enough to hit our target, and then price can likely to push down in a trend. Again, wait for the good reason to enter your buy trade. I'll keep you guys updated as well, and keep members updated. Once we have an entry reason, I'll email you with stops and target as usual. Let's check gold. Now in the major level of resistance, this is the zone from where we will look for an entries on 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. So look for entry reason as engulfers or double top entry pattern. Right here, what do we have? Again, like I said, with the power of entry condition right here, we had a nice engulfer. With that, this is for sure our target. Hit 9 is the ATR, and as you can see, if you entered at the close of this candle, the price pushed down around $20. That's insane amount of profit. If you entered here in gold, that was $20 push down. So at this point, if we have a double top pattern, only then I will enter my sell trade. If we have a nice engulfer or a pin bar here, only then I will enter another sell trade. Otherwise, if this top is broken, if that happens, we have a likely chance that the price will continue to push up to the next level of resistance. So keep an eye here. This is a very critical point. We already have our take profit hit with this candle, but with this aggressive entry, once we have a push up and rejection again, only then we will enter sell. Let's check silver. Right here on silver, the price is now inside the resistance level. At this point, look for an engulfing pattern. Once you have that, that is a good point to enter your sell trade or look for the double top entry pattern. So silver is now in the resistance area. This area is 23.046, goes up to 23.38. So that is a zone you need to look for your sell condition. Looking at the fact the price is now overbought, and that is why I'm expecting a push down from here. That will be enough to hit our target. Targets will be 1 ADR for here for commodities. Let's check crude oil. Awesome, a nice one. As you can see in my last video, clearly said that we have a nice 382 candle, and with that, the less aggressive way to enter below that. But again, what do we have on a lower time frame? If you follow me from a couple of months, a year, then you know I enter on my 4-hour and 1-hour time frame. As you know, crude oil is not one of my favorite commodity, but as you can see, we had a nice push down on 1-hour time frame with this nice engulfing candle. The price pushed down. That was enough to hit our target. That happened at the resistance area. So let's see what I've said in my last video. At this point, this is the level of resistance, and if, as you can see, we have this candle. Let's see if it's a 382 candle. Yes, it is a 382 candle. That looks sell to me. At this point, we can expect some push down, and the target will be 1 ATR. Nice one. So that is why, guys, only enter with the condition. Once you have a condition to enter, only then take your trade. So at this point, if you have a push up again, similar like gold, this is your rejection area. And if we have a nice rejection here, only then enter sell again. If you have a break above this top right here, this wick, then we have a likely chance that crude oil will start to push up in a trend. So wait for the reason to enter in this rejection area. Once you have the reason to enter in this rejection area, like engulfers or pin bars, that will be your sell entry condition. So that is it for commodities, guys. And also, I have already launched my course this weekend, and if you are interested to learn every single thing with the ruled based system, then that course is for you, where you will learn everything from basics to intermediate to advanced section, and you will learn all the rule based strategies, and where you will learn some discretionary based strategies as well. So check out my website to see what to expect from this course, and if you are interested to learn more in details about trading, then that is for you. If not, that's totally cool. Make sure you hit a subscribe button and make sure you hit a like button as well, so that you can receive this daily updates, and so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. I hope you trade green, and I hope you all have an awesome weekend ahead. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.